Mouse?
Gremlin.
Hello.
Hi, Mouse. You'll be on this screen in a minute, yeah.
That's so cool.
Well, oh, you can't see Mouse yet. That's the cool part. We get to see Mouse.
Really?
Yeah, that's me.
It's
Ooh.
We can't see it.
Is it a worm? Worm V2?
not a lamb.
Not a word.
The worm one was brilliant.
It's the best
Yeah,
one.
one was brilliant.
Can you imagine if I had a webcam?
That would be bad. If the camera always points at you, you accidentally turn on.
That would be unfortunate. Oh!
Hey!
Wow, in the basket again, huh?
What's
Oh,
up?
it's
Oh, you want me
seals.
not to be in the basket?
No. You can go back in the basket.
No, I don't want to be in the basket anymore.
Well, we have a dilemma. We've done an amazing feat. We've reached $450,000, which is amazing.
Really?
Yeah, but we're going for 475.
We have to get the 475.
We have to.
Oh, we have to. We just have to. We have to.
We have to. I'm sick in bed. We have to do it now.
Is that why you didn't stream today?
Yeah.
Because
I
you're sick
wasn't
and tired of
feeling
not hitting 475?
good. Yeah.
No, okay. Are you okay there?
I'm okay.
Just
kinda.
relaxing.
Yeah.
Sorry for dragging you out of your cozy
just
room.
easier to do stuff.
Aw. No! How's your
I'm crying.
giant plushie mountain doing?
I know who you want to hear.
Mouse has this monkey.
Oh, I used to have that monkey. I used to have that, yeah.
You say this monkey?
I love this
I
monkey.
fucking love the
It brought
sound.
me hours of joy, that monkey.
I bought it for Mouse at a Christmas market. I don't remember buying it though, but it's so funny. Because then why does the monkey sound like it's being like tortured? Play it again.
It's you.
It's like every new cinema roll that comes out.
Yeah.
Let me swap to this. Swap it over to that.
Okay.
Because we're getting
It's
scan lines.
you. It's you.
It's collapsed from that.
Hi, Pete.
Hey, what's up?
Come
What's
on
up?
over, Pete. Come on over.
Here's your
No,
phone
you can
back.
leave your. Can you put your stream pointing at us.
Camera reception. We got 14 stands.
Don't worry about it. Come over here.
Yo,
Come on, get in your stream, Pete. No.
What do I do?
Keep that there.
Put the phone and point it at us.
I see.
And then you get on your stream.
Wait, can you step on that, Paul?
Sure.
I was having fun
Get on
looking.
your stream.
No, I was having fun looking at Mouse though because I got to react to her. So
Yeah, I know.
This is
the part that sucks is that we have to look at Mouse and kind of like almost like 2D.
yeah.
2D Mouse.
This is 2D
Sorry.
Mouse. Yo, this
No,
is
it's
so
okay.
cool that you're actually on the cyclothon this time.
Yeah,
Yeah, finally. Gee.
we're gonna get her on my.
We've seen IronMouse every single day, right?
We have, yeah. And I'm gonna get you on the bike one of the days. When I want the extra.
One of the days.
When I.
When?
Well, it's a
Can't
lot of
we-
weight. It's a lot of weight.
Couldn't we sallotape this to Pete's face and have him cycle?
Wait.
Best of both worlds then.
Well, we want the cycle to go fast.
And Mouse can tell like Pete how to cycle. Like, go faster, Pete.
See, that's the problem, right? So then we got to give it to Connor.
Well,
again.
that's why she's gonna be on my bike.
Yeah.
And I'll be like, I can't go faster. I'm dying.
If we want to go fast, we put it on your bike, and you go about
Oh.
80
The cyclothon will extend by an extra week.
We'll tell you, we'll become a walkathon real quick.
Oh yes.
You keep that
But-
tilted down.
This is so cool to have you
This
here.
way.
Yeah?
So the sun's not in it. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, thanks.
This is
How's it
Happy
feel?
to be here.
this is day one for me, but I've been watching every day, and it's been a total blast. And words cannot describe how awesome it is to be here again with the boys hanging out, raising money.
We have also raised $451,450. So
That's so
we're
crazy.
getting close. We're getting close.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Do you have any words of
That's
wisdom
amazing.
for Chris's birthday,
What?
Mouse?
It is. Happy birthday, Chris.
Thank you very much, Mouse. Thank you very much.
How do you feel on your 21st birthday?
I feel like the world is at my feet. Anything's possible. Especially a back rub from Pete.
I knew it. See, this is
Oh
what we're
my
not
God.
doing this. We're not doing this again.
You
We're
said
not
you were
doing-
earlier. You were
I
like,
did not.
dear.
dude, I can't wait to give you a back rub.
That doesn't even sound like it.
Dude, I totally can't wait.
You're just putting into grok and saying, how would Pete sound giving me like, hey guys, I can't believe it. It's so
No.
exciting.
The biggest mistake is nobody uses grok.
I don't
You
even
should
know what
probably
you
use
Grok
Grok.
is shit.
Hey, you sat there for 20 minutes asking it questions about big fucking chungus.
That was ChatGPT.
Okay, so you did do it.
So wait, you're talking about big fucking chungus and badonkadonks?
Do you know Big Chungus?
Yes.
I know Big Chungus.
Is that the monkey?
Yeah, I can hear the monkey. What's going on with the monkey over there?
That's the
I'm
real.
sorry, I accidentally turned them on.
Let us hear it again.
I was hugging him.
Oh. So much it hurts.
He's screaming. He's being hugged, he's being hugged into submission.
Yeah, he's like
Christopher Chumbus.
Christopher Chungus. Does this man sit down at every opportunity?
Yes. He never stands.
My favorite thing of the day is Pete learning about bounce on it.
Well,
Yo, I was so excited
do you know
about that.
about it?
Yeah, man, you just go down and you just bounce on it. You just bounce on it. That's what I learned, and that's my rendition of it. I've been told that I might be wrong, but I
You might
want
be
to be
wrong.
so right.
You might be wrong, man. You might be
You
wrong.
might be a little bit wrong.
What's wrong with that? But anyway, I learned about bounce on it. I learned that a Todger's not a Tim Tam or a Toblerone.
Do you want to know the context of
Oh
bouncing? Or do you
God,
I
wanna-
saw
not
it.
the
Oh, you saw it.
Dodgers.
Right,
The Nosferatu clip.
right, but you know what he's referencing, right?
No.
Right.
There
Well,
was another guy in like
right.
face paint. He was like, bounce on it. Come for me and bounce on it. Crazy bounce. That's what it looked like. And I don't remember what he said because I wasn't listening. But
Right.
and Chris was like, that's the one. That's the one.
I don't need to explain it to you if you don't want to know.
I don't want to know. Do I want to know? No,
No,
let
you
me
don't.
live
You
it.
don't.
Let me live in my head what I believe.
You don't want to know. You don't want to know. Todger's Toblerone.
Yeah, Tim Tams and whatever.
What do you think of Pete's ability to bounce on it?
What? I don't want to think about Pete bouncing on
Oh
it.
yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
That's what you want. That's what you need. That's for 475 coming soon.
Well, 475. Let's get it.
I decided ages ago that anytime we do the cyclothon, I am not above anything embarrassing.
No, neither am I.
You know what I mean, though?
No, neither am I.
Not like I would never do that in
No.
any other
No,
social
me neither.
situation.
I would never do a shoey. Willingly.
I might do that one. So
No, actually, I'll tell you what we could do.
You're practically begging to do the shoey.
No, I have to do it in honor of Rob.
do the shoeing.
Stop squeezing the monkey.
The monkey might be a lie detector. It's like,
I know.
you were begging.
He is.
He's not a...
No, that's great.
Oh my god.
Connor loves his monkey so much.
It's the best, man. Isn't it funny?
Yeah, it's the first thing you ask. You're like, are you near your plushies?
Dude, because I wanted to hear it. Because it makes me so filled with
I'll
joy.
be back. I can feel the sun on my face.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's a great monkey.
It is a
That
great
monkey does for me what Cinnamon Roll does for you.
What?
Yeah, I think so.
You can't have him. He's mine.
Okay. Yeah, but I can appreciate him from far away.
You better appreciate him from far away because he's my monkey.
Oh my god.
Is it on there?
Oh, it's on.
Okay.
You got like grey hairs and stuff.
That's my face.
Oh.
Those are. Somebody said I had a milk mustache, like I
Oh,
have
okay.
been drinking a bit milk.
I was talking to Pete earlier. Maybe I'd love to hear chat spinning. And I was like, oh, I should shave because my beard's getting kind of crazy. Pete was like, nah, don't shave, man.
Don't shave it. Don't shave
Don't
it.
shave during cyclotron.
And I feel like even if you did, keep it long on the mustache and go stubble on the beard.
Just go mustache on.
What?
Not mustache only. You still have the beard, but the mustache is full. Like think of Henry Cavill, Mission Impossible.
Right.
That's what Connor's gonna look like. It's gonna look so sick.
I think
Cable.
all my muscles.
Cavill?
Yeah.
Cavill. Yeah.
I'm not British. I've learned 10 new words today: a bonnet, a fob, and a budgie. And Mouse, have you heard any of those 3 words?
I know what a bonnet is.
Yeah.
It's a hat.
So that's what I said. That's what they call the top of a car in England.
Yeah,
Huh?
that's top of a car.
The bonnet, yeah.
Yeah.
It's impossible riding with these guys.
Yeah, it's the
The hood.
hood of the
Yes.
car.
That's so stupid.
I agree.
Why? We made the language.
And then
Yeah.
we took it over, so we got it from here, guys. We'll take it over.
Well,
We got
You mog me,
I'm
mate.
Puerto Rican, so that's not my language. So I call it stupid.
Okay, alright. Well, what is it called in Spanish?
The hood of a car?
Yeah.
I don't fucking know.
It's a
So
weird
you don't
phrase.
really know any language then? it seems.
Oh.
I do. I just don't know shit about cars.
We're
Oh.
about to hear the.
Yeah, about to do it.
So, but that I've been enjoying listening to the Brits, but you know, Mouse. Besides you and me, it's all just British Commonwealth and
talking to
Sweden
me.
this whole
Why
trip.
is he always having a chin wag
talking to
with you
me.
every 5 seconds?
I think he's looking at some ridiculous. Oh, it's the route. He's worried about the route.
Oh, the route.
He's constantly
Look at
worried,
the
but it
route,
doesn't
not the
change.
The
I
root.
wonder if I. Do you think Mouse could hear this megaphone if I yelled from over there?
Probably.
Can she catch it?
Probably good.
Probably with that mic, yeah.
It's a big
Uh,
mic.
I don't know,
Probably.
maybe. It's hard to say with the iPad.
Hey,
Yeah.
Christina told him, shut the fuck up, I'm from Puerto Rico, we speak Spanglish.
Spanglish.
Oh.
Wait, maybe I can just put this in front of her. Shut the fuck up, I'm from Puerto Rico, I speak Spanglish. It looks better with her, yeah.
Here, put it here.
Yeah. Well, I just meant just a bit,
Oh.
yeah.
Go, Mouse.
Say something insulting to Connor.
Insulting to Connor?
Was it any that?
I don't think it's any better.
I think it's at the back, isn't
No,
it?
I can't tell him something insulting. He
It's
won't
this
give me a
side.
symbol.
Yeah.
I think it's
That's so.
multiple.
Oh,
is it really?
It's
Oh,
like
okay.
surround sound.
Okay.
Okay, now speak to my good ear.
What?
Oh, it's nicer. She's coming in crystal
Is
clear,
it?
4K. Ah, thank you.
Grandma, can you
Oh,
hear
fuck my
me?
face. Okay, I was stupid. I flew too close to the sun.
Oh no.
Look at
Grandma, can you hear me?
Who's grandma?
Oh, Pete's grandma.
Oh.
Oh, rest in peace, Betty. She's 99.
Oh, my grandma's dead too. It's okay.
She was a Welsh. Did Welsh people generally live to 99?
No.
So my grandma had a good run.
She lived to 99?
Wait,
Yeah.
your grandma lived to 99?
Welsh.
That only happens when you leave.
She did leave at like 21.
Yeah, because you normally we live till 40 at best.
So yeah, she lived to almost 100. She would have gotten a letter from the.
Yeah, you get a letter from the Queen.
Queen
yeah.
at that point.
Yeah, you do.
So yeah,
Oh.
yeah. Are you gonna send
Wait,
us a
you get a
letter?
letter from the queen if you hit 100?
Yeah, or
that-
king
she's,
now.
She's like, thanks, I guess, for sticking around.
Thanks for not dying.
Thanks for not dying.
We're hoping that we're gonna get a letter from Mouse when we reach 500,000.
Oh.
You have to pin us a letter.
I've got a special letter and a song.
Song. Ooh.
That sounds
song.
nice. And we're gonna be celebrating Chris's birthday, not just today, but if it's up to him, the rest of the trip. Remember
I
when it was my
insist
birthday?
upon it.
What's that?
I insist upon it.
There you have it.
He insists upon it, Mouse. What do you think of him being a birthday
He
brat?
insists upon himself. What?
What do you think about Chris being a birthday brat?
A birthday brat?
He is a bit of a birthday brat.
I think it's okay to be a brat because
Yeah! High five, high five. You just hit her in the
it's
face.
okay to be a brat on your birthday, you know.
It's
It's
not.
your special day. And it should be his birthday week, not a day.
Birthday week, birthday week.
Wait, today's Monday, isn't it?
Birthday
week.
Oh, what a tragedy.
I don't
Birthday
want
week.
this. I don't know
Birthday
who
week.
this.
Birthday week, birthday week, birthday week!
Okay, thank you very much. That hurt actually a lot more than he understands. I will tell you what, if the donos keep coming in, I will be glad to celebrate Chris's birthday week, birthday year, birthday decade, whatever he wants, except for those back rubs, because it's a time for celebrating.
Indeed.
It's my
450K.
birthday year every year.
Okay. Oh shit, sorry.
Oh, sorry about that. And we are about to set forth. We have about halfway through today. Oh, we're nearly done.
This is the last stop.
What? I feel like we're not cycling enough. Can we make the trip longer?
We're cycling quite a lot.
I don't know. I feel like 60,
Well, you
70
were too busy
kilometers.
fixing your phone for the first 15 hours. We were cycling. Maybe
Well,
you missed it.
I mean, you're kind of in the van the whole time, so.
Yeah, but I'm just saying, as a previous experiencer of van ganging, we're doing a lot less cycling.
I too feel like the cycling was longer last time.
And the time before.
No, we've just gotten faster.
Oh, that might be it. That's it. You guys are too. So
Faster.
we'll make each day longer then.
No.
Why stop at Tokyo? It's got to Kyoto.
Well, tomorrow we have 90k to do. So.
Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah, no dilly-dallying tomorrow.
Okay, that's a tough one.
Yeah, and then the day after is 90. and the day
Okay,
after is
that's
90.
what I'm. That's the cyclothon that I remember.
Why do you want us to that?
Well, I want you guys to get in shape and to support a
I'm
good
not
cause.
getting in shape. Do you see what I just ate for lunch?